Okay, so welcome to this training video. In this video we will learn how to use WordPress. I have been using HostGator cPanel for quite some time now, and they are quite efficient, quite nice. They've got nice customer support and backup services, so I use them. You can use other service providers also, but a standard cPanel is necessary for installing WordPress. They have got nice tools where you can easily install WordPress within minutes, so it's highly recommended. It's highly advisable to use this. So if you go to the section below, you will find a section such as software and services. There are two icons where we need to focus. It's quick install and Fantastico Deluxe. If you click Fantastico Deluxe, you will find such a message that we are sorry, Fantastico Deluxe is being retired. It was used to install WordPress earlier, that is a few months ago. I have been using this, but right now it is being retired. So instead of that, they ask to use quick install, that is use quick install instead to take advantage of these great features. So we'll be using quick install. Just click quick install and you will get the following screen. Okay, so after you have clicked quick install, you will be taken to this screen, that is the manage installations. If you have used this quick install earlier, then you will get a list of all the websites in this sections, but if you haven't, then this section will be blank. But right now we'll be focusing on WordPress. So on the left hand side you will get a link WordPress, and after you have clicked WordPress, you will get this thing, that is WordPress and a continue button. They say WordPress is a web software you can use to create beautiful websites or blog. We like to say that WordPress is both free and priceless at the same time. Okay, so let's use it. Click continue and you will get this thing, install WordPress. Here you have to select the domain where you want to install WordPress. For example, I am clicking One Click Story and leave it as blank. If you want to install WordPress within a folder inside the domain, then you can use this. You can use this, but right now just leave it blank. Then go to admin email. This email is really important, and it's better you used an working email, that is email which you use regularly, because here you will be getting your user ID and password of this WordPress installation. So give it a nice email which you use regularly. Just don't give any junk email. Give an email which you use regular. Okay, so next go to the block title. Use your keyword here as the block title because it is important for SEO purpose, and just leave this at admin. Enter your first name and your last name. First name and last name. After you are done, then click install. It will just install WordPress within few seconds. You will see the percentage here. It will move really fast and install WordPress within minutes. Okay, so congratulations, your WordPress installation is successful. This is the admin login, that is the admin area, user ID and password. You can save this. You will also receive an email with these details. Just copy this and click the link. You will get a following WP login, that is a WordPress login. Here's the username and the password. Then click login and you will be taken to your dashboard. Inside the dashboard you can edit everything. You can change the theme, the appearance, you can install plugins, you can add pages, add posts. There are many things you can use this dashboard for. So right now what we will be doing is I'll be showing you the various sections. This is the post, all post, new categories and tags. You can use this to create post, and here is appearance, themes. You can add any other themes which you like. There are many themes available. There are many free themes. If you want, you can use paid themes also, but that's not required here. So there are many free themes which you can browse and install here. This is the plugins. This plugin section you will need to install your beginners package or your pro package. I will show you in the next videos how to install your package. And you can go to users and your profile. This is a must because the password which you have received is really a big one and contains many characters. So give a nice password which you can remember, and also just repeat the new password and then click update profile, and then next time onwards you can use your new password. You can also update your first name, last name, also your email here. There's one more settings. Go to general. Okay, and here you can give a blog title and your tagline. Make sure to include your keywords here because this is highly important for SEO purpose. Okay, so now let's go to the website. Yeah, your website is ready. It's a default post in the WordPress. You can edit or delete it here. For example, go to dashboard, then post, all posts. Here is the hello world post. If you want, you can delete it. Okay, now if you go to the website, it will be blank, totally new. Yeah, it's totally new, nothing found. Now you can add the plugins, and the rest we will explain in the next training videos. I'll work with you. I'll create some post and you can work with me and see how I make the post. Then you can carry on and move and make as many posts as you want, because if you make more posts, more shares, and definitely more traffic and more money. So congratulations, you have installed the WordPress, and next we'll see how to install the plugin and how to make viral posts and videos. One more thing I would like to mention here. Go to dashboard and you will see things as post and pages. This post will be used to create the traffic blast. That is, the traffic blast is basically video post, and this pages will be used to create video sales pages and video opt-in pages. So this will be used for the pro packages, and the post section will be used for the beginners package. Also the pro package you can create a post also, because it includes the viral traffic, that is the traffic blast. So right now I am concluding this video, and I highly recommend you to watch the next video so that you can proceed and install the plugins and watch the further training videos on how you can choose products and you can make viral posts. So thank you.